Hey makers and creators! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for your next 3D printer, especially one that packs value and innovation, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers on AliExpress in 2025, including ultra-fast FDM printers, multicolor beasts, and high-resolution resin monsters. I'll walk you through their specs, performance, pros, and cons so you can find the perfect one for your next project. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Zonstar 4 Ion 1 Outmix Color FDM 3D Printer. First up, we've got the Zonstar new upgrade, a DIY FDM printer designed for creative professionals who love working with multicolor printing. Key features: for Extruder, 4-in-1 out hot end for mixing colors, large print volume for big builds, silent stepper drivers for noise reduction, easy to assemble DIY kit, high precision layered printing. This printer is impressive for a few reasons. First, the 4-in-1 out design gives you true color blending capabilities. You're not just switching filaments, you're creating gradients. Setup is surprisingly easy for a DIY kit. And once you're calibrated, the results are vibrant and smooth. The motion system runs quietly and the print quality is consistent even on large models. Pros: affordable full color blending, great for artistic or visual models. Modular and upgrade friendly, quiet and precise operation. Cons: requires good calibration skills. Slicer configuration can be tricky, not for absolute beginners. If you're looking to take your creativity to the next level with colorful 3D printing, the Zonestar delivers serious value, perfect for makers who love to experiment. Number 2. Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo. Key features: CoreXY motion system for stability, 600 mm/s maximum speed. Multicolor module supports 4 filaments. Auto bed leveling. Ultra quiet printing. The Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo is designed for both speed and precision. The CoreXY motion system reduces frame vibrations, meaning your prints look sharp even when you're printing fast. The multicolor combo module allows you to use 4 different filaments in a single print, ideal for colorful models, branding, or toys. Auto bed leveling makes setup fast and stress-free. Pros: very fast with great quality. Multicolor prints without extra attachments. Quiet, smooth motion. Stable CoreXY design. Cons: takes up more desk space. Slightly advanced for beginners. Colors don't blend, it's switching, not mixing. If you're after speed, reliability, and creative flexibility, the Cobra S1 Combo hits all the marks. It's a performance machine for anyone ready to level up. Number 3. FLSUN V400 Delta 3D Printer. Key features: Delta frame structure, max print speed, 600 mm/s, large build volume, auto leveling and touch screen UI. Known for vertical print quality and speed, the FLSUN V400 is one of the fastest printers in this category, and it's thanks to the Delta structure. It's ideal for tall models, cosplay props, and long prints that usually take hours but now finish in half the time. The print quality remains consistent, and the touchscreen interface is responsive. It even supports Clipper for advanced performance tuning. Pros: blazing fast print speed, smooth vertical movements, huge build area, built-in Clipper support, silent performance. Cons: tall design needs vertical clearance. Best results come with tweaking. Not ideal for tiny, intricate pieces. The V400 is a speed demon. If you print large or want fast turnaround on batch prints, this is the 3D printer to go for in 2025. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max Resin. Key features: 7K mono LCD screen, 14.7L massive build volume, CB plus LED light source, supports large resin models, ultrafine detail printing. The M7 Max is a beast in the resin category. With 7K resolution and a massive 14.7-liter volume, it's perfect for printing large statues, game models, or precision parts. Thanks to the CB plus light source, exposure is even and fast. Details are sharp, layer lines are minimal, and curing is quick. It's a bit messier than FDM but well worth it for detail lovers. Pros: professional quality detail, huge resin print volume, clean light exposure system, reliable and consistent results. Cons: resin handling can be messy, requires proper ventilation, higher running costs versus FDM. For those needing premium precision and large-scale resin prints, the M7 Max is unmatched in its class. Great for professionals and serious hobbyists. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo Multicolor FDM. Key features: supports up to 8 colors, 600 mm per second speed, 250 by 250 by 260 mm build volume, FDM system with auto leveling, stable, compact footprint. The Cobra 3 Combo takes multicolor printing to the next level. With support for up to 8 different filaments, it's ideal for complex patterns or large logos. It prints quietly and fast, and the setup is beginner-friendly thanks to automatic bed leveling and a great UI. It's basically plug-and-play with high-end color output. Pros: multicolor up to 8 filaments. Fast and stable performance. Excellent print quality. Compact but powerful. Cons: color calibration takes time. Slightly higher price point. No true color mixing, just switching. If you want top-tier multicolor FDM prints with little fuss, the Cobra 3 Combo offers pro-level features at an AliExpress price tag. So there you have it, our top 5 3D printers from AliExpress for 2025. Whether you need speed, color, or extreme detail, there's something here for every kind of maker. Quick recap: Zonestar, best for experimental color blending. Cobra S1 Combo, best for CoreXY performance. FLSUN V400, best for high-speed vertical builds. Photon Mono M7 Max, best for large resin precision. Cobra 3 Combo, best for multicolor FDM simplicity. Drop a comment below, which one would you choose and why? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit the bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching. Happy printing!